Kani kadai ka Batisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka khubor baman kasngi belawan ra shepi da ka rupa. Bapentingan bat penbha.
Kalakre Memorial School kebadan hak senang sun jong anong ba shalong kala punlong ya karensan ka bapli ka sap ka phong jong ki khina school hak shat ka kemen bat karwai ka seo. La pun peng ya kani ka sngi da ka jingi don lang UMLA ka North Constituency uba Adelbert Nongrum uba lalong u kongsan harengkat ka jingi don lang jong ka principal ka Shirley A Pradeep ki nohikai bat ki kime ki pa jong ki khina school. Lapan syangkun ya kani kasngi da ki jingpen bernya balai shimenta da ki khana school nado ki badang puli ha ka kerdan pre-primary bat ki wei ki bapuli ha ki class ki bakham shalor.
Today is one of the most important day in our school. It is our annual day and it is the time where we will sum up on what we have done in the year. As the year is about to end and a new one is about to begin, it is important for us to understand our strengths and dwell on the opportunities that we have to work on. All of us know that our school is a hub of all the activities and a place where we learn a whole gamut of subjects that include arts and sports. At Lakre, we don't just focus on academics, but we try to teach things which will help our students to be good individuals and be positive citizens too. The year 2018 has indeed been a wonderful year with many ups and downs, a time full of opportunities, a time full of learning, and a time well spent interacting with our parents and children.
To express my thankful to each and every one of us present here for being a part of this beautiful day. All the performance in different activities, they have performed so well. We should thank God Almighty for endure them, the different talents that they are having. Therefore, there is a reminder that the earth is a platform and life is a drama. Kadai ka rensan but ka jugim kadai ka jugi lekai. It doesn't mean that life we can play as we have seen nowadays and experience our beloved youth at the early age 20, 25, 30, they gone away. Living this beautiful place because they do not have the power to control themselves. The three foundation, which is the need of the hour. they call for each and everyone, especially our beloved youth, who will not be stagnant in the same class or the same age. You'll be growing up day by day. And we are expected so much contribution as what we have seen, we have experienced, and we have witnessed today. Many of our beloved teachers who have achieved the certificate because of their contribution. Therefore, a contribution followed up by recognition. It is our duty so as to mention the chairperson who also received her reward because of her contribution towards building up the nation through her teaching line and to all different aspects.